Have you ever put your dreams on the back burner until they vanished into thin air like that and you just forgot about them? Well, in today's video, what we're going to cover is how to not be a dream killer. So stay tuned. Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action. Question for you guys. How many of you know people personally, including yourselves, that had dreams and aspirations that they literally just killed or gave up on, or actually dug 1,000 feet underground and put it in there and then cover the hole and put cement over it and just never let it out or resurface again? Do you know anyone like that? Well, if you say yes, don't feel too bad because you are not alone. That is pretty much what most people do, is that they give up on your dreams and aspirations and never accomplish them. So again, what I want to do is just give you guys some quick tips on how to not let your dreams die and how to revive them and give them life so actually you can live the life of your dreams. All right, number one is go around other successful people that have similar dreams and goals that you do, because you will see that it's actually real and that it can be done. You see that they actually did accomplish it because they didn't give up on their dreams. They kept going, pushing through that resistance and negativity and all that gunk that comes on to you when you're trying to pursue something outside of that box. And then you can see, wow, this is actually real. And that will just give you hope to keep going so you don't kill your dreams. Another way to actually let your dreams live and revive and stay alive is to actually say affirmations daily. In the morning when you wake up and at night before you go to bed. Again, give yourself affirmations as far as use what's in the future and bring it to the present. So instead of saying, oh man, I wish I had an extra $10,000 in my bank account, just say, well, I am so grateful that I have this additional $10,000 in my bank account currently, and actually envision that and visualize it in your bank account, in your hands, that you're holding it, and that feeling that you get, that happy, excited feeling, is use that to actually keep manifesting that thought into your mind. So that will actually help you keep going, because whenever you feel down, just think about this is worth it, and you will actually have that in your hand one day. And just say it in a present tense. I do have this currently now. I'm so grateful for this. I'm in the process of doing this. I am becoming holistic. I am a great motivational speaker. Again, whatever it is that you want, just manifest it in your mind and say it out loud in the morning and at night. It will actually help you cover those gaps so you actually will become successful. Another way to not let your dreams die is to continually educate yourself, and again, surround yourself with workshops, seminars. Continually keep yourself busy working on your dreams so you don't have time to think about any of the negative gunk, because no matter what you do, no matter how successful anyone is, you will always have that negative chatter in the back of your mind, and that little plague or disease, whatever you want to call it, there. It will never go away, but you can learn how to control it and keep it as small as possible, so whenever it starts to try to expand, you consolidate it again and push it back in its dark abyss, and keeping that gate shut so it doesn't return. Alrighty guys, another way to do that is to actually listen to podcasts and educational audios in your car when you're driving or working out, because when you do that, again, you're hearing stories of people who have made it, who have done it, who have reached what you think is impossible, but you know it is possible, and that will help you continue to keep pushing forward, so you want to actually keep designing and building the life that you want, because one day when you look back, you would say, yes, it is worth it, and you would not have any regrets in life. So again, listen to educational, positive audios in your car, even vibrational music. Again, they help keep your energies positive and not let the negative take over. Guys, another way is, in the Bible it says, ask and you shall receive. Again, pray to God. You may think it's hocus pocus or stupid, but again, it's not. You'll be amazed at what prayers get answered. Again, your prayers do get answered, guys, but it may not be in an obvious manner to where you say, hey, I wish I had a purple elephant in my living room, and you don't see it right away, but it's there, or it's coming to you. You just have to follow the cues and the visions to actually get there. And what I mean by that, I'll give you an example. Okay, guys, so an example is, let's say, again, you want maybe something more realistic. Let's say, again, let's just go back to the money. Most people want more money. Let's say you want $10,000 in your bank account by a certain date. And you say that, and then let's say you actually get a phone call maybe from a friend, that, hey, come attend this seminar or whatever it is, and you decline it. That was part of your answer. That was actually attracted to you. So hey, by attending a seminar, maybe you will meet somebody there. It may not have anything even to do with the seminar itself, but you may meet somebody else there that you network with, and you guys meet, and then from there they introduce you to someone else, and so on and so on. And then from there, boom, you eventually would get your $10,000 from just going to that event that you were not even interested in, but then that led you to meeting the people that you needed to meet. So that's what I mean by listening to that small voice. It may not be apparent at first, but when you ask for something, there are clues that will come to you, and you need to just listen to those cues. And again, guys, make sure your cup is half full and not half empty, because when you have your mindset set right, you will attract anything you want. Again, like they always say, Napoleon Hill said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. And once you truly believe that, you will be able to manifest and bring forth things to your life and attract them to you just by changing your frequency and vibration of your energy, and then that would attract more positive and abundant energy into your life. So you just have to literally change this here, which is your mind. Once you do that, you'll be able to keep your dreams alive, and they will be vibrant and restored, and then you will be able to actually accomplish them and watch them start to manifest into reality. So again, keep your mind sharp and always think positive. Again, guys, another way to actually keep your dreams alive is, like I said before, create some type of maybe vision board or some type of affirmation board or dream board or design board, whatever you want to call it. And post those things in your car when you're driving, things that you really want to accomplish, like you want a better house or better life or a better car or whatever it is. Just post it, take pictures of it, put it around your house and your car so you're constantly reminded and you see it every day, so you continually fight for what you want. Also, guys, when you are finished with your 9 to 5, your daytime work, again, everyone should have a side hustle at least. If you don't want to quit your job, which is fine. If you love what you do, great. You're in the top 13%. 87% of people hate what they do. But anyway, when you finish with that, you should have something that you are working on constantly. Because when you do that, you will have something to live forward to. You'll be excited when you get off of work, come home, work on your business, work on your dreams, and then you will start to see them become reality. Well, alrighty, guys, that's actually all that I have for you guys today. So hopefully you guys can get more clarity on what you need to do, and hopefully this video has helped and served you, so then you can actually pursue your dreams so you don't let them die and push them under a rug. Alrighty, guys, well, you know my favorite part of the video is the quote of the day, and this comes from Jack London. And he says, life's not always about holding a handful of good cards, it's about having a poor hand and playing that well. So what do you guys think that means? Life's not always about having a handful of good cards to play, but it's taking a poor hand that you have and actually playing those well. Guys, but that's all I have for you. So again, if you guys like this information, this content, again, Greg here with Planet Green Zen, and if you've never been to this channel, what I'd like to do is just inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I believe that if every human on this planet had a holistic balance of each one of those areas, we have eliminated hunger, famine, war, slavery, disease, and have health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit. So again, if you guys believe in similar messages, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know when new videos are out. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Share these out with people in your community who needs to hear these messages. And Greg with Planet Green Zen, signing off.